Running my business before the app was a lot more time consuming. Everything was paper. I had to track down invoices from, my specialists at times. I had to go back and look at stock numbers that are written in invoices on paper and double check with my clients and customers to make sure that everything was correct if there was an issue on their side. It was a lot of basically guessing work and putting it together and figuring it out beforehand. So now it's a lot more organized with Mobile Tech RX. Makes it a lot easier to have everything digital. I can send everything straight from my phone to customers, and it's like a snap, just a click of a button. My name's Sara Price, and my business is a touch-up company that is nationwide here in the USA. We have 6 specialists now, and we're expanding to about 20 here in the next year. And Mobile Tech RX makes our life a lot easier.